Okay, so let's see how we can convert older CATIA V5 to 3D Experience CATIA files. This is really interesting, and I wasn't expecting this to work like this. So I have over here this setting, so position analysis. This is the original CATIA V5 assembly. As we can see over here, we're gonna have the following parts, and we're gonna have the mannequin over here. And what is really interesting is that within the newer version, if I'll go over here and click on import CATIA file, so not direct on the import, you can click on that side arrow over here, CATIA file. I'm gonna select the same file, so as you can see over here, I will just select the product. And we're gonna see that this will search for the full components over here, so I will just click OK. And this will be the import. And what is really interesting is that within this version, the mannequin will be updated to the newer version. So this is really impressive how they managed to do that. And I wasn't expecting this. I wanted to make a video where I would add the CATIA V5 mannequin and I would insert the new weight. So, as I said before, look at how well this mesh will look. And the mannequin will have the same position over here. If you're gonna take a look at the hand, within CATIA V5, it looks like this. This will be from, so we see that thumb finger over there, and we see the position over here. So it's not exactly quite the same, but we have this hand over here positioned, and the hand will be over here. We're gonna have the feet on the pedal, so that will be the same. So I'm really impressed with this feature. Let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding this and how easily we can transfer older CATIA V5 files to the newer 3D Experience CATIA. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.